Are you a pro?
Yeah.
You are.
I don't need this hand. I need this hand.
What? What?
I
Hey.
can have it the other
To the right.
hand.
Good job.
This way?
Yeah.
Wow.
Good job.
This water's bumpy.
Well, yeah. It's all right.
Oh, that's bumpy.
You're doing really good. Right? You're doing really good. You hit another bump? No? Just a little bump?
So big.
A big bump?
But I didn't fall.
But you didn't fall. You did really good.
Look.
Good job.
My skin is burning.
Is it burning? Mommy put some sunblock on it.
But the sun is so hot, it's burning my skin.
Oh, goodness.
Even your skin.
I know. Mommy's just starting to sweat already.
My legs are hurting from the sun.
Hi, how are you? So the sun is hot? It's okay. You're only going to be out for a few minutes and then we're going to go back in. Okay? Huh? Well, by the time you ride all the way down and
You were walking
all the way
and
down.
riding. Like
Yeah.
20 minutes? Oh, yeah. I don't want 20 minutes.
What?
1 minute.
1 minute? Well, it takes us 1 minute to get out of the door in the garage. What? 20 minutes?
Let's go up here.
Yeah.
Mommy, look up and look up and
I
look.
see. You're in the shade.
Yeah.
How does the shade feel? Good. So when you make it down there, I'll make you a big loop, and we'll take a few minute rest in the shade. How about
In
that?
that shade,
Okay.
please.
All right. Yeah. Uh-oh. Is that a cloud kind of covering up the sun a little? Yeah, now it's good. Oh. Well, that would make sense for you to come and make your loop, and then we can make it back down to the other end of the road. What do you think about that? Huh? Yeah. See, look. The sun went in a little bit. It got covered by the clouds, so come on. Let's make a loop.
Okay.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Mommy, those should
Look like mine. It's nice. Has a breeze. What is that? It's a feather. What are you doing? Getting the feather? Why are you getting the feather? Are you going to put it in your basket?
feather
Really?
from a birdie.
Yeah, we don't know what kind of bird. Put it in your basket. We'll take it and put
It
it
might
on.
blow away.
If you put it in your basket and put it under your numbers that are in your basket. Yeah? You got numbers in there?
Yeah.
Okay. See? Put it in there so it don't blow away. Good job. You want to take a sip of water too while you edit? Got it? There you go.
Yep.
Keep that feather
And now I'm going to get some water.
from blowing away. Got it?
Yeah.
All right. Good job. Oh, yeah.
Wait a minute.
What is it?
I know that feather.
What feather?
This is from a pigeon.
A pigeon?
Yeah. It's got gray and black.
I do?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're going to have to see because it may be from the geese that are around here. Those like duck-looking little things that's by the little ponds over there.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
If we show this to Daddy,
Mm-hmm.
we will investigate a lot of bird feathers.
Yeah, put it back in there so it don't fly away.
Okay.
Let's see.
Let's put you in there.
Oh, see, there's a wind right now. See, the breeze is coming. You don't want it to fly away. Putting the feather in the basket so it don't fly away. All right, put your water back in. Let's get back on. Good job, big girl. Yeah? Hydrate, hydrate. Oh,
In bed.
that's so sexy. Just sexy. Is that sexy? Yeah?